Sunny side up eggs in a bowl. Oh my Lord, it's going everywhere. Stupid egg. It was already broken right there for like 2 weeks. Oh, we could use that for Easter. I don't know how eggs are associated with Easter. Oh, I forgot. I need to use this here napkin. Supposedly you're supposed to wet the napkin, put it over it. That's gonna like steam it and cook it more on the top, I believe. And to keep it from falling in, we're gonna do that there. That should really help it out. Now we come here to the microwave. This is a, how much watt microwave? Hey Becky! Hey Becky, how many watt is this microwave?
I don't know.
I believe it's a 900 watt. We're gonna go 38 seconds, just a guess. Go gadget, microwave! Oh my God, the waiting! The waiting is horrible! Becky, where's my favorite spoon? I must have it! Let's see how it turned out. Hell no. It ain't cooked yet. We need another 30 seconds. Ah! It's hot. 33. Lordy, the waiting! This is in real time, people. Real time. Oh, I forgot to say it. Go gadget, microwave! All we need is flashing lights. Ooh, it exploded in there. Let's see what it's like. Perfecto! Let's get you up in there. Get you up in there! Hot, 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 hot. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I like my eggs a little bit runny. So for me, this is perfect. Try a little taste. I'm not gonna bore you with my ugly mug. Oh my God. That is fucking awesome. Got some toast, throw some seasoning on it. The best sunny side up eggs ever.